Kit's crows.
Neighbor's running their car right in front of me, so I won't look out there. Let's lock up. There's a little starling. I wonder if it's waiting for me. I'm gonna leave a treat. I don't see anyone else around though. It's just a few starlings up there. Okay. They're probably waiting for me. There. Nice little breakfast. If they want to come over. I'll probably wait till I'm gone. Bark, bark, bark. Hey, chickens. There we go. Okay. And what's up with this gate here? Like, all this extra fencing and the gate's just wide open. Weird. Is that a starling? Hey! One second. There's a couple more up there. Well, I'll leave you a treat. One second. There. Little one for you. I hope he gets it. I just saw a big shadow. Oh, hey, crow. I left a treat over there. Do you see it? Well, I'm sure someone will get it. Oh. Yay. Oh. A few more friends. And crows taking notice. They're like, what's the hubbub down here? Okay. Well, you guys have fun. So all these little guys looking at me. One second. That's so cute. Okay. So I'm certain they're looking at me too. There. Yep. Yay. I think that one's going to the other pile. There's that little guy. Okay, well, they'll finish it soon enough. Okay, I'll leave one more. There. Okay, it's all yours. Kitty, Mel, no! What's up, Mel? I gotta put these treats away. How you doing? Haven't seen you in a while. Who's our good kitty? Mr. Mel. That meow is not Mel, that's the starling. Kitty, kitty. Let me give you one more pet. Okay. Yeah, a little thingy. I'm gonna go on my walk. I'll see you later. This guy, he'll go when it's safe, I guess. I heard that. Oh, I see another one down on the ground. So let me get over there. Hey, what are you doing? Friend is up on the light. Hi there. Leave you a nice treat here. Okay? Oh, I had a feeling it was you because you're on the ground. But you look healthy otherwise. Just a limp. Okay, well, I'll see you later. You should go join them. I left a big pile. Good. All right. Well, they're set. Oh, there's a kitty back there. Kitty, kitty. I just want some cherries, though. Some that are still good. Oh, there's a bird picked on that. Is that one good? Yeah. Because these are on their way out. Getting really picked over. Give me that one. Yeah. There we go. Nice handful. Oh, where's that little guy? Were you looking for a treat? I see him following me. Hang on. I'll give you something. Come on over. Come on. Is he gonna go for it? I'm not that close. See, it's right there. Go on. You're so close. No, don't go away. Aw. I was so sure he was like following me. Maybe he's... Oh. Go on. Come on, little bird. Little bird, it's right here. Oh. Now you got it. Yay. I'm standing on the street, but there's no cars. Well, there's one car, but not on this side. Okay, well, at least you got it. Hey! What's up? I just left Fred Meyer that's way down there at the end of the street. I was heading home. Okay, I'll leave you something right here. There you go. Hope your friend comes over too. Well, I know he sees it. Okay, well, I gotta get going. Of course, as soon as they turn away, I think they wait. Oh, as long as he gets it, I'm happy. This is a cherry tree, isn't it? How are these cherries? Oh, they're so tiny. Why are they so tiny? Look at them. They're barely cherries. They're more like berries. Oh my god, that's too sour. I can't eat that. Never mind. Ugh. That's unfortunate. I had a feeling they'd be sour with considering how small they were. No. I don't deal well with sour. It kind of hurts me. Ugh. I'm back and the birds are still eating it. So I guess there's some left. Yeah, I see a few little bits of cat food. I'll leave a little more just because they're looking. There. That should make them happy. There's a crow up there too. I wonder where Mr. Mel went. There's a big old truck in the way, so we'll go this way. Oh, there's another crow. He's still waiting up there. But I'm gonna leave you a treat as well. Okay. There we go. Well, maybe he'll get it when he's done preening. I don't have any birds following me. I don't think. So I'm actually not going to leave a treat only because the lawnmowers are out. There's still a few bits in there, kind of wet from the sprinklers. So yeah, I just don't want it to get chopped up by lawnmowers or weed whackers or whatever. No one showed up anyway, so they'll just get some more treats tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.